Welcome to MamaShark Surprises. Please
Subscribe! So Sharkies, we have another surprise. Baby Shark is going to open Kinder Surprise egg. Shake, shake, shake. Look. Baby Shark, you can open it.
Okay.
So, what do you get?
I don't know.
You don't know?
Spinner.
Is it a spinner?
Yes.
Spinner. Oh. How? What are we
Red
gonna-
one.
A red one. A red spinner. Here.
Shoes.
Shoes. Here you have the flyer, how to make it. And then here are the spinners. You're going to assemble it, and here are the sticker shoes. You start now, Baby Shark.
Okay.
You show them. And then, very good. What are you going to do now?
Sticker.
Stickers. Wait, we'll check. Oops. Now you put the stickers then. So, and now we're going to try to spin it around. 1, 2, 3. Oops. Another try. Oops. So, we're going to try another one. 1, 2, 3. Baby Shark, you want to try?
Yes.
So, thank you very much for watching, Sharkies. The next video, we're going to open Lego and Friends. Yay! See you next time. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe.
If you like this video, click subscribe button and hit the notification bell for more new videos. Thank you for watching. Bye. See you soon.